Did you know the moon gets lonely at night when everyone sleeps? Little Max couldn't fall asleep. Night after night, he tossed and turned. So he folded a paper airplane and imagined flying all the way to the moon. "Why do you keep me awake?" Max asked. The moon's gentle voice whispered, "I'm so lonely. Everyone sleeps when I come out to play." Max's heart felt warm. "I'll be your friend." Each night, the moon showed Max wonderful things. How she helped lost rabbits find home. How she watched over sleeping families like a gentle guardian. How she made ocean waves dance and sparkle. But soon, Max fell asleep at school. His teacher wasn't happy. "I have an idea," said Max. "What if I visit you before bedtime? I'll share my day's adventures and sleep knowing you're watching over my dreams." The moon smiled brightly. "Perfect." Now Max has the best bedtime routine. He talks to his moon friend, then drifts off peacefully, knowing she's protecting his dreams all night long.